Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to sign out from Google Chat. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat. So here, if you cannot see, there is no sign out button in every part of this Google Chat. You can see here you cannot find any sign out button. So actually, to out from this Google Chat is just by clicking this account manager, and then you can just click a manage account on this device, and you will be generated into the account options that you use for connecting into the Google Chat. So you can see here this account is connecting into the Google Chat. To sign out, you just need to click this button until it is inactive, and after that just click done, and now you're already out from the Google Chat. So that's all the way to sign out from Google Chat. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.